Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Valencia. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you an amazing brush set that I discovered, and it retails for $26, baby. $26. I was so thirsty to share this video with you guys. It's crazy that I ran across this brush set and I just couldn't be stingy to get this information from you. If you're new here, press the subscribe button. If you have not pressed the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Like, sis, I want to win too. I want you to subscribe to my channel too. Let's be real. Okay, no, I'm just joking. But seriously, if you want to, please hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. It'll help this channel a lot. And turn on those post notifications because YouTube be tripping. And I ain't got time for YouTube no more. They be playing too much. Like, they don't even be telling y'all. And the notifications don't even be going out on time. Because notifications don't even be going out on time, follow me on my social media. I will have my Instagram and my Twitter on the screen here for you guys to follow me. And I will have all the information on these brushes. And I will have all the information on my social media down below. It's almost 2019, baby. We need a refresher. Some people don't even know what brushes to use. They don't even know where to even begin with a brush. They see all these other YouTubers promoting hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of products, always high-end stuff, but no one's never really taken the time to dig back and get more affordable. So I'm glad that you're here. If you stumbled across this video, I'm so glad that you stumbled across it because I want to teach you something today. I want you to be just as flawless as I am when you're doing your makeup, and I want your makeup to look just as good as mine. Okay? Because no face left behind, especially it's 2019. Seriously, no face left behind. So I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you stopped by to watch this video. If you want to learn some stuff, stay. And let's hop right in. So these are how the brushes look right here in the box. So they come in this really cute, nice bag with the rose gold on it. I really like the size. I think they're not too big. These are the brushes here. So these brushes retail for $26. They are from the brand BH Cosmetics. These are the brushes here outside of the box. I really like the way they look. I love the rose gold. I love this color of the brush. They feel very, very soft. I'm going to try to use as many of these brushes as possible so I can be able to tell you guys exactly what part of the face to use the brush on, just so you're getting the bulk of all your money. These brushes, I believe, are the best brushes to buy when you are getting into makeup right from the jump. I believe these are the best brushes to buy. One, because you're not working with so many different brushes. Two, because it's very simplistic and you have majority of your brushes for your face and you have a decent small amount of brushes for your eyes. Doesn't get too complicated, very broken down, very simple for you. So I'm going to show you exactly what brushes that you can use on each part of the face. These are synthetic brushes. That's one thing that's really, really important when you're picking out brushes. Make sure you get synthetic brushes. A lot of makeup products work well with synthetic brushes. I prefer vegan brushes. With vegan brushes also, there tends to be a lot of less shedding. That's something else that you want to think about when picking out your brushes. And you want to make sure that the quality of brushes are there. So I'm going to show you how to use these brushes. So on the back of the box, it does give you a detailed description of each brush. But a lot of people are like, still, they don't know what to do with the brushes, especially if you're new to makeup and haven't really used brushes and you're just using a beauty sponge and a few eyeshadow brushes. No, you need a more detailed description of what to use. So I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to have some fun. So let's start with prepping the face. So now I have my face ready to go. We're going to start off with foundation. The first brush I'm going to use is this brush. It is a flat top foundation brush. It's very dense, which means, all this means is that the brush hairs are close together. That's all that means. This is the second brush that's in the collection. The first brush is a powder brush. And the foundation that I'm going to use today is the L'Oreal True Match. And I have the shade Cocoa, so I'm going to put this on my face. Here's a couple of things. You can apply your foundation to your face. You can apply your foundation to your brush. You can apply it on the back of your hand. Swirl the foundation into the brush. Me personally, I don't like to apply my foundations directly to the brush, only because I feel like it seeps in too much and gets all in the brush hairs. So I'm just going to apply it on my face. And I'm going to let the brush do its job now. And then what you want to do is you're going to go in circular motion. So just apply it nice and simply. Look at that. So next I'm going to apply some concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. The shade I have is Mocha. And I'm just going to apply this to my face. I'm actually going to blend out my concealer with a sponge. So I'm going to cream contour with this contour brush just so you guys can see how this brush works with blending your contour out. There's so many different contour brushes. There's actually flat, straight ones. There's tapered ones. There's so many different kinds of contour brushes that you can. And you can start off by going back and forth and then gradually doing circular motions to blend that product out nice and evenly. This brush can be used here to bronze up your face or set your contour. I like this brush because it's angled as well. So like I mentioned before, a lot of contour brushes, they're either angled, they have a flat top, or they're tapered as this one. This brush here is really good to come at an angle and get under that cheek. This can be used to bronze, or this can be used as a blush brush as well. I use this and I'm just going to dab right into my pan here of the True Complexions contour kit. And then I have so much product on here, I'm just going to dust it off, right? And now I'm just going to take it and go just like this and blend it up. It's picking up the powder so well. I want to be mindful of that as well. The next brush I'm going to use is this really big fluffy brush. And basically with a powder brush like this, you may have seen a lot of people use big powder brushes to set their contour areas or use it for bronzing up their face. I like to use a powder brush so that I can set my entire face with my powder pressed foundation. So I just take it into the brush just like this. I let the brush pick up most of the product. So I just let it pick up the powder, right? And then I just lightly tap it onto my face. So you just tap and you can go over. You constantly pick the product up and you just keep going over it until your face is blended the way you want it to blend. So now my makeup is a lot more blended. You don't see too many harsh lines. All my makeup is blending in evenly. So it gets so difficult when it comes to shadows. A lot of people struggle with shadows. A lot of people like to play it safe with brushes because they get so intimidated with brushes, when really all you have to do is just follow the guide and know your brush when you're using it and what you use that brush specifically for. So number 12 is a pencil liner brush. I don't really like to use these unless I'm applying like glitter liner or some type of line, but never for my eyeliner. Brush number 11 is the angled liner brush, or it can be used for your eyebrows, whichever one you prefer. Brush number 10 is a pencil brush. This is more for detailed crease work, or you can use this to highlight some of the areas like your tear duct or your brow bone. Brush number 9 is a flat concealer brush. This brush is a larger concealer brush. Again, you can carve out eyebrows with this brush. You can apply your concealer all over. Number 7 is an angled eyeshadow brush. This brush, I'm going to show you how to use this brush. A lot of people get so confused, like why is it at an angle? It's not really a huge reason why it's at an angle. And then number 6 is a blending brush. Well, I guess I'll apply a little bit of concealer to put it all over my eyelid. I'm going to use this concealer brush, which is brush number 8. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, and I am going to take this brown color right here and I'm just going to blend this into my crease. And I'm just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth in circular motions. I'm actually going to take brush number 9. I'm going to use brush number 9, which is the flat concealer brush. You can use this brush for concealer and you can use this to pack an eyeshadow on. So I'm going to spray the brush, which you may have seen before. People spray the brushes to make sure that it's wet enough to pick up the eyeshadow. And I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to pick that up on my brush and put this all on my eyelid. I'm going to take my angled eye brush, and usually this is where you work it in from an angle here and bring your shadows in. That's what this brush is for. I'm going to take this shade right here. It's going to bring it in like so. And you don't want to pull it this way, you want to come in this way. I'm going to take this pencil brush that I was talking about prior. I'm actually going to take this shade right here and put this in my tear duct, which is the inner corner of your eye. So I'm just going to put it here in the center. And I'm going to take it right over my brow bone. So I'm going to add some liner and eyelashes off camera, and then we'll be back so that we can highlight. Okay, so now that my eyes are fully complete, I am going to move on to highlighting my face. And we're going to go into brush number 4. Brush number 4 is this taper highlighter brush. And taper is like when it goes up in an angle like this, and it's a little round at the top. It's the right size to highlight the highest points of your face. I'm going to take my Desi by Katie highlighter from Doso Colors, and I'm just going to swirl my brush and pick it up. These brushes pick up products so well, so I'm just going to pick it up and lightly tap it off. And then I'm just going to go to the other side of my face. And you just want to press it, you know, pat it into the skin. You can go like this, you can do circular motions, but you have to remember, the more you move your brush around, the more spread out the product goes, so it goes further in different directions. So if you don't want to move the product too much, you can just lightly press it onto the skin like so. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button down below and let me know what you think. I want to hear your thoughts. Like, no, on a serious note, I seriously want to hear y'all thoughts. I want to make sure that I'm teaching. I want my YouTube channel to be more about me teaching stuff. But seriously, if this video was helpful, let me know, because I will do more videos like this. If you guys need help, I don't have a problem. I will be that YouTuber that will do a lot of affordable stuff, that'll do a lot of drugstore stuff, that'll find you guys affordable things that's good quality at a good price. Like, I'm so serious. If that's what you guys want, I will give it to you. Subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button if you have not hit that subscribe button already. Like, I want to win too, sis. I want to win all 2019. I want you to join the family. I want to get to know you. Stay engaged. Stay commenting. Get to know me a little better. Watch a couple of my other videos. Stay for a couple more. Yeah, hit that notification button too, because YouTube be tripping. Like I said, YouTube don't even be posting notifications on time. So follow me on my social media, because you will know every time I upload go up. Share my video amongst your friends, because I would really appreciate. Put your sister on too, just like I'm putting you on. No face left behind. Remember that. Come 2019, no face left behind. So like I always say, I will see you guys in my next upload. Thank you for watching. Bye.